Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute pineapple and a cute apple. So first you're going to need something to draw on and something to draw with. So first you're going to draw a oval. Like this. We're drawing the pineapple. And next we're going to draw two small circles inside the oval for the eyes. This part is optional. Inside those two circles, you can draw two smaller circles. Like this. You're going to color the bigger circle I in, but you're going to leave the little circle not colored. And if you want, you could add eyelashes. They're optional. Next, you're going to draw the mouth. You're gonna like kind of like that. It's like the very bottom of two circles together. And next, you're going to draw the green part. So you're gonna do it like this first. Up, the thing start like curving down. You're gonna go up, curve up, curve back down like this. Up and down like this. Alright, now if you want, you can use you can draw some lines going like this. First, lines going this way, like this, and lines going the opposite way. Like this. Next, you can use a marker or whatever to color your pineapple in. I'm using yellow. You can use any color you want, but pineapples are usually mostly yellow. Here we go. This is how it looks so far. And next, you're going to color this part right here. It's like the green. Green. I don't know what it's called. And if you want, you can do some cheeks. You can use like red or pink will work for the cheeks if you want to. That. And that's it. That's how you draw a cute pineapple. Next, let's do the apple. Alright. So first, you're going to do like most of a circle. Until you get to like the really top, like that. Then you can kind of slowly like curve a little bit, barely lift just a little bit down like that. And next, in the middle, right here, you can come up, curve a little bit at the top, and go down like that. It's like a kind of long rectangle. And then you're gonna just draw like an easy leaf like that. And you can go a line going like here to the rectangle part like that. Alright, next you're going to draw 2 circles. Small circles for the eyes like this. Then you're gonna draw 2 smaller circles inside of circles that you just drew. Like this. And you can color the bigger circle. Like this. If you want, you can add eyelashes. I won't add eyelashes to this one. And then up here, above the eye, you can do a line that's kind of curving. And you're going to go up, down, like that. Next you're going to draw them out. So you're going to just draw like a simple smile, if you want. But I'm going to make it different, like you can go like curve down like that. Like this. And there we go. That's it for the apple. You just need to color it in. I'm going to make the apple red. Use a marker. You can use colored pencils will work. Even crayons will work. Doesn't matter. Like the stem part. Like the stem part. No, not the stem. The rectangle that you drew. Well, you're going to color that brown, and you're going to color the leaf green, of course. But you can make it any color you want. Inside the mouth can be black or red, or even pink. Doesn't matter. I think I'll make it black inside the mouth. But I'll just make a little red spot right here before I color it in black, because that's the tongue. There we go, this is how it looks so far. I'm going to color in this part right here, brown. I'm going to do the leaf green. And there we go. That's it. This is a finishing look. And that's how you draw a cute apple and a cute pineapple. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.